It's time to check off that list again. That holiday cleaning checklist, that is. And I'm starting off today by cleaning, deep cleaning my bathroom. So I don't recommend that you mix products like I'm doing in the video. But I happen to think I'm a seasoned pro because some things don't mix. You could end up not cleaning the bathroom, but laying on the floor of the bathroom. Just a little tip. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch one more time to support me here on the channel. Your continued support is greatly appreciated. And if you're new here, I say don't be a stranger. Go ahead and subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Here on my channel, I love sharing my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and cleaning motivation, such as today's video. If these are things that interest you, you have to become a part of my Priceless Pearl growing YouTube family. Listen, this is real life here on the Johnson Ranch. I had to stop, that's right, pause the video, go down the street 3 miles away to the Dollar General and pick mama something up. Now I'm back home and back to the video. Listen, my mother, she didn't play when it came to cleaning the house. So I've been washing walls down since I was 8 years old. I wasn't kidding when I said this is a deep cleaning. Every drawer, every cabinet, and every surface is being touched in today's video. So, how often do you deep clean your bathroom? Leave me a comment below and let's talk about it. Yeah, this is the part you've been waiting for. So many of my subscribers comment in person and in the comment section that they love watching me clean my toilet. I find that hilarious. So I'm mixing 1 cup of white distilled vinegar, 2 pumps of Dawn dishwashing liquid, and a half a cup of baking soda. I will add this to my toilet tank overnight. Make sure you turn the water off, and I'm going to leave it overnight to get that scum and that mildew that's in my tank. Do you see this? No worries. We're about to clean all of that mildew right now. part of this bathroom, except the floor, has been washed and cleaned. So the only thing left to do is to sweep the floor, mop the floor, let the bathroom sit overnight. Join me tomorrow, 6 o'clock p.m., and see the finished look. That's right, I still have to decorate for the holiday season. So I'll see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.